Hi guys, Christine Toney here with Essentially Styled and Lilla Rose Hair Accessories. I just wanted to come on here today to share with you some exciting things that are happening in Lilla Rose. Just when I think they can't outdo themselves any more than they already have, they have come out with a new kit design and it is amazing. We've had some things, new products come onto the line in the last year that have been available for purchase but have not been a part of our enrollment kit. Well, now they are included in that kit, and now it is just a premium example of what Lilla Rose offers. So to start with, I want to show you some of the new things that are in the kit. We now have the bamboo hair towel, and if you have not seen or experienced the bamboo hair towel, you are missing out on less frizz and just a luxurious feel. It is made out of bamboo fibers, so it is super soft and luxurious, and it absorbs so much better than your traditional microfiber towels, or way better than traditional towels with the fibers and the loops that really dry hair, separate hair, and can cause more frizz. So this is an awesome addition to our kit. It's got the little button on the top. You put it over your hair, your hair twists up, then comes around, and then it fastens on there. Keeps it out of your face while you apply your makeup and you get dressed, and by the time you take it out, your hair is mostly dry, and you just have a little bit more drying to do, or you can let it naturally dry from that point on. An amazing product. We also have added our rose water, our sea salt spray, and our dry shampoo. Now, rose water is amazing for taming the frizz, adding shine, and just protecting your hair. It is also great for your face, for complexion. Lots of reasons. If you are familiar with essential oils at all, you know why rose oil is kind of the queen of oils. So hugely beneficial for your hair and your face. We also have the sea salt spray. If you're looking for volume or some natural waves, that is an ideal product for you. Dry shampoo for all of those in-between days. So that's an amazing product, and we are getting rave reviews from the dry shampoo. Then still, you are going to get some amazing hair accessories. You are going to get all of this. Now, the black hairband is hard to see, but there is the hairband. You have flexies from mini all the way up to large, with additional smalls and extra smalls thrown in there. You get an acrylic swerve. This is in tortoiseshell. You get a decorative hair stick, a leather 8 that comes with a stick that kind of goes with everything. You have a traditional silver swerve, which is amazing. I sleep in this, I exercise in this. This is my go-to hairpiece. I could go out to dinner in it, and I can exercise in it. Not too many things you can say that about. You get a set of bobby pins and the U-pins. And I think I covered everything. But we added, the new additions are the acrylic swerve and the silver swerve. And they really are a huge addition to our line and an essential part of any hair wardrobe. So if you have questions, please let me know. The really huge thing about this particular kit right now is that starting October 2nd, which is tomorrow, for 4 days, it will be $49. For the following 5 days, it'll be $59 for all of that, and $69 for the following 6 days. So there are huge savings. The kit is traditionally $89, and with that, you get all of this, plus some basic business supplies, a free website, a 30 to 45% discount or commission, and all the training and help you could possibly want. I have a team, and I love to support them and do some training with them. And then the company also, Lilla Rose, is amazing at offering free trainings, and we have so many generous stylists that share graphics and share pictures, and we just really love to help each other build their business and build their community. So if you have questions, please reach out and let me know. But again, starting October 2nd, the kit will be $49. All of this for $49 plus the business supplies. Then for 5 days, it'll be $59, and then the following 6 days, it'll be $69. After that, it will bump back up to $89. It's the regular enrollment price for our kit. If you have questions, please let me know. And the one thing I did forget to mention is the quotas. There are none. No monthly, no quarterly quotas. They do ask to maintain your discount and your commission for the following year. They would like to see $29 come through your website. That could be purchases you make or purchases your friends and family make. and coworkers. So if you're just looking to share Lilla Rose, if you love the products and you'd like to have a little more to try, if you've never tried some of these items, maybe the Swerve or the hair bands or the bobbies, this is a great opportunity to try those for $49 or $59 or $69 or even $89. It's still an amazing deal. So if you have questions, let me know. Please reach out to me. You can post below or reach out and message or email me. But I appreciate you guys, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.